Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. If you want to start a cookie business, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you all the tips and the tricks you need to be able to maximize profits in this business. So please watch the video from beginning to end to be able to get all the informations. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. For this recipe, we'll be making two different flavors, so we'll be needing 2 bowls for it. We will start by adding 120 grams of soft butter to each of the bowl. That is a total of 240 grams. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will add half cup of icing sugar to each of the bowl. That is 65 grams each and a total of 130 grams. If you do not have icing sugar, you can add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a blender and blend very well. You will get yourself an icing sugar. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar to each of the bowl. You can use the liquid vanilla flavor if you prefer. At this point, you can add any other flavor you want, like the milk flavor, the pineapple flavor, but for this recipe, I'll be using only the vanilla flavor. After that, we mix very well until it becomes creamy. Next, we add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to each of the bowl. That is 240 grams each and a total of 480 grams. Next, we add 1 heaped tablespoon of cocoa powder to one of the bowl. Then we mix very well until a dough is formed. You can use your hands to mix it, it's easier and quicker. Now, we have 1 plain dough and 1 chocolate dough. After mixing the dough, sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough to it. We will start with the plain dough. Roll out the dough using a rolling pin. If you want the cookies to be crisp, then you roll it thinly. But if you want it to have shortbread-like texture, then you roll it to be a bit thick. After rolling to your desired size, it's time to cut the dough using cookie cutters. You can use any shape of your choice. In order to make the cookies more fun and attractive, it's best to use different shapes. Transfer the cookies to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the same process for the chocolate dough. Transfer the chocolate cookies to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, allow the cookies to cool down completely before putting in your desired packaging for sale. You can put the cookies in these fancy papers, transfer it to a container with a lid if you want to sell it as a high-end product, just like they do in the supermarkets. You can arrange the cookies by colors or by shapes, or you can mix it up, however way you prefer. This recipe makes about 1 kilogram of cookies. If you want more, increase the ingredients used. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting, and also feel free to share the recipe with your loved ones. Also check out the other videos in my channel. I'm sure you'll find something you love because there's something for everyone. As you can see, you do not need much to start this cookies business. With little or no capital and from the comfort of your home, you will have yourself a profitable business you will enjoy making, and you will also have fun while making it. You can also mix the cookies up in a bowl or a tray and present it as a tea time special for your friends and loved ones. You can also add the cookies into small bags like this and sell it. Kids loves it like this. And with very little ingredients, you've made yourself a profitable business. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything you have to say about the recipe, feel free to write it in the comment section. I'll be sure to read all of them and get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.